All right, hello guys. Just want to show you this van we completed for Chef Marcos. Chef Marcos created this design online. He used the AI program to create it, and I think his wife worked with them as well. They brought us over the design, and what we did is we kind of put that into a design that fit his van. We had to make a lot of changes on this specific vehicle. We used the pictures that they supplied to us. Obviously, the black background. We added some more stuff on our end to meet his expectations. This vehicle was fully printed in 3M matte with matte finish. So when you see black, is not actual like black vinyl. We printed all this. Everything that you see white was left white from the printer. We printed the pictures digitally. On this specific vehicle, we did something a little different, where we printed the decals in a separate layer. Typically, everything's printed at the same time. We printed this in a separate layer with gloss finish to create some contrast. The letters right here too were also printed in a separate layer. So the white and the delicious letters are gloss. QR code here so people could find them easy. They could order directly from the QR code. We do have the Marines logo. That's something that he wanted to have on here. It's something that he was proud of, and we went ahead and helped him out putting that there. We got his website on the bottom. Like I said, everything you see on this vehicle was printed, all digitally printed. The black, the pictures. The only thing that was printed separately was the decals and the logo on the front. Tail lights tinted. Marcos wanted the tail lights tinted, so we did that. I think it looks well with the vehicle. It's a black car. On the back here, again, we got the QR code, his website, pictures demonstrating the food that he sells. You can go to his website for more details. Back logo, again, printed in a separate layer to create that contrast. Gloss decals installed on top of the wrap. And he serves Orange County in LA. We got that on the back side. We got that on this side. Windows were tinted, 20%. On the front, we also got the visor installed. It's about 8 inches from the top, 6 to 8 inches on top. Again, that just gives it a little meaner look. This is an electric van. These stripes right here were blue, but he wanted to print them, wrap them in orange, just to kind of go with all his look. His colors are going to be black and orange. So now we did print that when we printed the sides. So that's exactly the same orange that we have on the back. I'm not sure if he's gonna get some wheels on this, but I think some wheels will look really, really nice. On this vehicle, we did take off the headlights to wrap a little bit further in because it was white. So we didn't want you to see any white, from the exterior. We popped these panels out, popped the mirror out, popped the vents on the hood, wrapped everything nicely underneath, and then we put everything back on. We got about 36 inches of the hood of the roof wrapped. We don't do the whole roof because the roofs tend to have a lot of grooves on them for extra to make them more rigid on the top. But on top of that, the sun burns them, and then you're gonna come back in about a year and a half, 2 years or so, and we're gonna have to remove that. And that it's a pain in the butt to remove. So by wrapping about 36 inches from the front, you can't tell that the roof is white. This is a tall vehicle, probably standing about 8 feet tall. So you can't see that. But when you're down here, it looks perfectly black. So there you go, guys. I just want to show you what we did. If you guys got any questions about wraps, give us a call. Or if you guys want to order some food, that's a meal prep, whatever you're trying to stay fit, like me, hit them up. Thank you.